Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetarian soup. We'll start by exploring how to choose the best ingredients, focusing on fresh, seasonal produce that truly shines. Then, we'll dive into building a robust flavor foundation using simple pantry items. You'll learn the fundamental steps to create a satisfying and nutritious meal from scratch, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to transform humble vegetables into a culinary delight. For a truly great vegetarian soup, ingredient selection is key. Start with a colorful mix of vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, which form the classic mirepoix. Don't forget leafy greens or hardy root vegetables for texture. Your liquid base is crucial. Opt for a high-quality vegetable or mushroom broth. Remember to chop all your ingredients into roughly similar sizes for even cooking and a pleasant eating experience. Once your ingredients are prepped, it's time to cook. Begin by sautéing your aromatics like garlic and ginger in a little olive oil until fragrant. This builds a foundational layer of flavor. After adding your broth and vegetables, bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Allow it to cook for at least 20 minutes or until vegetables are tender and flavors have fully developed. A final touch of fresh herbs or a splash of lemon can brighten everything up. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade vegetarian soup. Serve it piping hot, perhaps with a side of crusty bread or a garnish of fresh parsley. For leftovers, allow the soup to cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home environment, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. You can also freeze portions for longer storage, up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.